If you're curious to find out how big the available trunk space is with the seats up and the seats down on a 2024 Toyota Corolla Sedan E210 model, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have this 2024 E210 Toyota Corolla Sedan, and I'm just going to be showing you how big the trunk is with the seats up and the seats down. So first off, we're just going to go ahead and open up the trunk there. It's relatively deep just on its own. However, obviously you can fold those seats down. I'm just going to pull out my tape measure and give some measurements. Bear in mind I'm doing this one-handed. So to the back of the seat and down to the back of the boot, slightly concave, so we'll go right over the side. I'd say you've got 1 metre deep there. Going across at the narrowest point, about 95 centimetres, and to the lowest depth we are about 50 centimetres there. But of course we can fold the seats forward, and it's nice and easy to do on this car. Just going to open up the rear doors, going to push the button in that's just on the inside of the headrests, and you can fold these all the way down. Now you don't actually lift up the bench or roll the bench forward on these ones, so you don't actually get a fully flat boot. Just go over the other side and do the same. So pretty handy if you have some skis or maybe golf clubs, but it doesn't go dead flat. There is an upstand there, and I'll measure just the upstand in just a second. So that upstand is about 12 centimetres. I'm just going to give you the full length measurement to the back of the seats. Back of the seats, and that now gives you 190 centimetres. There you go, nice quick video for you today. If you did find that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.